Hey, look at the 3 fields that I've got on my WordPress post. This one is a drop down. These are basic custom fields added with a code snippet. 3 big reasons why you should use CodeSnippet. It's free, saves you having to use child theme, it protects you and allows you to roll back if there's ever any issues. Getting the plugin is super easy. Go over to WordPress, add new plugin, type in CodeSnippets, and you can't miss it. Go and install and activate it. Back into WordPress, go over to Snippets, click Add New, give it a title, and then drop the code in from the video description. I won't lie, it is a lengthy code, but how did I even go about creating it? Over here is what I typed into ChatGPT, and if you pop this in, it's going to give you a similar code. So go away and experiment. For adding basic custom fields, this is brilliant. Take care. See you soon.